Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn about self-introduction. Self-introduction seems to be very basic topic, but learning to introduce yourself properly is incredibly important. You need to be prepared very well. Now students, do you know where you can introduce yourself, where it is useful to introduce yourself? So you may need to introduce yourself maybe in the English class or maybe at the large event where the group of people is present. Most of the people feels very nervous and anxious while introducing themselves in front of group of people, as English is the first language. Now students, how you will prepare your self-introduction successfully? In order to successfully introduce yourself, you must have your self-introduction to be pre-written and learnt. You have to be pre-planned your self-introduction. You have to be well prepared. In this video, I am going to guide you how to prepare your self-introduction. At the end of this video, you will be having a complete self-introduction that is ready to use and ready to you to learn off by heart. So students, let's go on to the lesson. So I will give you the basic information how to introduce yourself. The very first thing, while introducing yourself, you need to give or you need to wish greeting, that is good morning, good afternoon, hello, in such way. For example, if it is a morning time and you want to introduce yourself, so you will say good morning. So depending on the situation, what is the time, you have to give the greeting in the way. Next, of course, is your name. When you are introducing yourself, after wishing greeting, you have to say your name. For example, if I am there, so I will say good afternoon students, my name is Preeti Rathod. I am Preeti Rathod. So in this way, you can introduce your name. Now, I will give you an example. When you are on a phone or when you are talking with someone on a phone, you will use my name is Preeti Rathod to introduce yourself on a phone. When you are introducing in a large group of people or in an auditorium, so you need to say this is Preeti Rathod. So here are some of the examples where you can apply I am Preeti Rathod, this is Preeti Rathod, or my name is Preeti Rathod, in such way depending on the situation. Now, after name, the next thing which you want to introduce, that is your age. So you can say your age by saying I am so many years old. That is, for example, you can say like this: I am of 3 years old, I am 6 years old, I am 8 years old, in this way. After age, you have to introduce your family members. That means here in this, you have to say how many members are there in your family. For example, you will say I have a brother, I have a sister, or you can say that I am from a family of 5. The next thing, you can say I am the only child of my parents, if you are a single child of your parents. Then after this, you can tell the family members' names. That is, if your mother is there, you will say my mother name is Rita, my father name is Raju, my brother name is Sham, my sister name is Priyanka, and so on. So in this way you have to give their names. So finally, when you are introducing yourself, you need to first you will wish the greeting. Second, you need to say about your name. The third, you need to say your age. Fourth, you need to say about your family members, how many members are there in your family. And fifth thing, you need to say their names. I encourage you all to record your video which includes this all points and keep it with you, so that it will help you how you are going to introduce yourself, which will increase your willpower. Now, as we are learning the chapter that is My Dog Rex, so the last thing I will include in this session that you will need to introduce one more point, that is fun fact, which is related to the having pet, as we are learning this chapter. So it is not necessary in the fun fact you will include only having pet. You can include many of the things, but just for an example, here you have to introduce one of your favorite thing in this fun fact point. That is, if I have this toy that is a bat, so I will use this toy and I will say I have this toy as a bat. My father gave me this bat on my 4th birthday. I like to play with this bat a cricket game. I shared this bat with my society friends while playing cricket. So in this way you will have to include all the points. First point, you should include that what toy is it. Second, who gave it to you. Third point, why do you like it. Fourth point, how do you play with it. Fifth point, do you share it with anyone. So this all 5 points I have given you as an example how to use it. So in the similar way, I encourage you to record your video, one which will include your telling about yourself, and the second video you will record of telling about the fun fact, that is about a toy. Take any toy which you like the most, and these points which I have included in this video, you just refer to those points and make a video for record it and save it. In this session we have learned how to tell about yourself and how to tell about your fun fact. I here end up with today's session. If you have any query, please feel free to ask your queries. So I will see you soon in my next another session. Till that time, bye. Have a good day.